people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm gonna show you the Soyfresh non-dairy soya milk. So this is in chocolate flavor. As you can see, it's written over here, soya milk chocolate, and this pack size is 1 liter. It had added calcium, source of protein, low in saturated fat. So all the people who are vegan, they can have this milk. It's non-dairy product. First of all, that's very nice. All the nutritional information has been mentioned over here. And what else? Nothing much. Ingredients are also mentioned, so people who are like allergic to something, they could read it properly over here, that what suits their body, what doesn't. So that's really nice. Apart from that, it's written over here like it is good for cholesterol and low saturated fat, or there's no preservative like this. All the information has been given over here. That's nice. Nothing else. Let's open it. So very easy to open. You just need to pull it like this and pluck it out. Then close it once again and shake it well, because all the tetra packs need to be shaked well before using it. So now what we're gonna do is, with the help of a glass, I'll pour it. Very nice. So you can see the glass, it has chocolate milk and it's really thick. Soya milk is very thick and it will make your tummy full. Very nice. Now I'm gonna have a sip of it and let you know how it tastes. Very nice. The chocolate flavor is enhancing and it's very nice. It just goes in your mouth and just bursts. Very tasty. So please go for this soya milk. It's nice and interesting. Do not forget to like my video, share and subscribe. Thank you.